I am your teacher, Teacher Helen. And today, I am excited to be with you to learn something new. At the end of this video, you are expected to identify the beginning sound of the given word. Say the correct sound properly. But before that, let's make two things. First, let us make our listening ears on so that you can hear what I say. Are your listening ears on? That's great. Second, let's make our looking eyes on so that you can see everything. Everything good? Alright. Are you ready to listen? Very good. Kids, meet my friend, Mia. Mia's mother went to the market to buy her favorite fruit. Can you tell me what's Mia's favorite fruit? It is oval in shape. Its color is green and it tastes sour. It becomes yellow when it's ripe and it tastes very sweet. Can you tell me what fruit it is? Very good. It is mango. Mango is Mia's favorite fruit. Her mother bought it in the market. Oh, wait. Listen. Mango, Mia, mother, market. What beginning sound can you hear? Great job! The beginning sound is and this letter is letter M. This is the uppercase M and the lowercase m. What is the name of the letter? M. Very good. Now, I'll say the sound of the letter M. When I touch it, I'll say it. I'll keep on saying it as long as I'll touch it. Whose turn? Very good. It is teacher's turn. Now, listen. Now take note that my mouth is closed. Once again, I will say the sound. Listen. Now your turn. When I touch it, you will say it. You'll keep on saying it as long as I'll touch it. Are you ready? Very good. Get ready. One more time. Get ready. Great job, kids. Now, say the whole thing with me. Mango begins with Again, one more time. Mango begins with Great job. Mia begins with Now say the whole thing with me. Mia begins with Very good. Say the whole thing with me. Mother begins with One more time. Mother begins with Very good, kids. Once again, say the whole thing with me. Market begins with Market begins with Very good, kids. Now, can you think of another word that begins with Very good. Mama. Mama begins with and you can call your mother Mama. Another word. Very good. It's mouth. Mouth begins with and we can use our mouth in talking and in eating. Now, you are going to identify the name of the picture and say its beginning sound. Are you ready? Very good. Now look at the first picture. What is the name of the first picture? Very good. The name of the first picture is milk. And what is the beginning sound of milk? Very good. The beginning sound of milk is Now, do you drink your milk every day? Very good. You should drink your milk every day because it makes our body stronger. Once again, can you read the name of the picture? Milk. Very good. Now, look at the next picture. Can you tell me the name of the picture? Very good. The picture is a mat. And can you tell me what is the beginning sound of the word mat? Very good. The beginning sound of mat is and do you use your mat? Yes, we use our mat when we sleep. Once again, can you read the name of the picture? Mat. Very good. Now look at the next picture. What is the name of the next picture? Very good. The next picture is mouse. Can you tell me the beginning sound of the word mouse? Very good. The beginning sound of the word mouse is and can you read the name? Mouse. Very good. Now, are you scared of the mouse? Teacher also is very scared of mouse. Now, what should you do to avoid mouse in your house? Very good. We should clean our house always. Now look at the next picture. Can you tell me the name of the next picture? Yes, very good. It's monkey. And what is the beginning sound of the word monkey? Great job! The beginning sound of the word monkey is very good. Now, can you read the name again? Monkey. Very good, kids. Thank you so much, kids, for staying with me. I hope you learned something today. See you to the next video. Bye-bye.